What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. I am Brandon, and today we are in the kitchen. We're going to be unboxing Ninja's Double Stack XL air fryer. I'm excited. I've been eyeing this thing from the beginning. We're going to open it and we're going to give first impressions to it. Stay tuned. Let's do it. Know that this thing is heavy. I will post how much it actually weighs on the screen, but when it first came in, it was very heavy, and I just lifted it out of the box. It is very heavy. So let's get it out of this plastic. Of course, if you are a fan of Ninja, you always get Ninja's quick start guides, and they give you recipes inside. We're gonna go back and look at the box as well, because the box has some, just has some good key points. So here it is. And this thing is gigantic. I personally have never used any of just the regular air fryers. Ninja has about 2 of them. They have the ones that have the drawers side by side, and then they have the one that has the one basket. When I got into air fryers, I jumped into the grill, as you all know from my grill videos. But on this box, it actually tells you that this is 10 quarts, and the other style that has them side by side is actually 10 quarts as well. And what Ninja is proclaiming for this one is this one to not take up as much room. The previous one is wide and it does take up more counter space. This one is like 40% more less space. All right, let's get the tape off of here. We're just gonna look at the functions, and we're gonna open these drawers. Oh wow. So first impressions, like, this is kind of interesting because everything looks small, but you gotta understand that there are 2 drawers. So this is how that looks inside. And don't quote me if I'm wrong, but I believe all these moving parts are actually dishwasher safe. I will post that on the screen just to confirm it. So what you're gonna get, you're gonna get your air fryer drawers. Then you're gonna get your racks. Your racks actually allow you to layer your food, so you're able to have food at the bottom, and then you can have food actually at the top. So you can cook 2 different things in one basket. So you actually can cook 4 things at one time. Will I ever need to cook 4 things at one time? Maybe not. But for some of you guys who have families or you're meal prepping, this would be good for you to meal prep all your food at once versus having to have a lot of pots and pans on the stove. Now, this is an air fryer and it does not do any steaming. That's my only thing. I'm so used to the Combi and the Speedy. I like having a steamer, being able to steam vegetables and do that sort of thing. Just trying to get some of this plastic off. And also here, it does say stacked meal rack, just to let you know what it is. And it says extra crispy top layer for proteins and fast cooking, crispy bottom layer for veggies and starches. So it gives you some instructions on how to use this. So if you were gonna put veggies in here all together, put them at the bottom, and put your proteins and meat at the top. All right, and you also have some instructions here at the top. It gives you a description of what you're cooking. It has chicken, French fries, it looks like a steak, and veggies and fish. And it gives you a temperature range of what to put the temperature on if you are cooking these things. And it has a time preference to give you what time. So I say leave this on the top if you are one of those people who has something you're trying out, you're experimenting something, and you just sometimes need a guide to go by. Use this. And it also has dual zone. So what I like about this air fryer, you are able to only use one basket at a time. It does have a function here, as you see. The function has 1 and 2. So you are able to use just one basket at one time and not always have to use both of them. So that's pretty cool. Here, it has 6 functions. Air fryer, of course, air broil. Air broil, I'm pretty sure that is just like broiling something in the oven. If you are wanting to get something dark or seared and wanting to get a char on the piece of meat, you're able to do that. And then you have roast, reheat, dehydrate, and bake. Now, I'm not sure how the bake function would go. Previously, in all the grills and things, when I bake something, it's like, with the exception of the combi actually does bake like an oven, but I'm not sure how the air fryers will work. But as far as air frying, I will say that Ninja does a good job of it being a quick, the moment you put something in here, it starts cooking and it heats up very well. So we're not gonna be cooking anything in here today, but we just wanted to give a first impressions video of how well this new design looks. And so if we turn it to the side, this is what you get on the side. You have your heating vents here. And if you look at the back, this is where you're gonna wanna have, it's just some more ducts. I'm pretty sure air and heat doesn't come out of this, but it comes from the sides. And you know what? That's actually a good design feature that this one does has. If you do have the combi and you have the speedy, you'll notice that the steam comes from the top. And so if it is under a cabinet, you might want to pull it out from the cabinets, because over time that can damage your cabinets from the heat and moisture going up to the cabinets. All right, guys, so here you have it. This is the new Ninja Double Stack XL. Let me know in the comments, are you picking up one? What are you gonna be cooking in it? Later on, we will be doing some videos of seeing how this thing actually works, and we'll be comparing it to Ninja's other grills and products. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.